what we teach is jujitsu. We don't teach other sports like basketball, chess, I don't know, billiards. Things that, yeah, you can't really apply any of those to harass people, to bully people. I've never heard anyone cry and go, oh, one time I was walking and then there was this guy in front of me. He did a crossover, man. I thought he was going to my right and then went to my left and then left me. Man, I got so scared. No one. That's basketball. But that's not what we teach. That's not what I teach. I teach how to control someone against their will physically. I teach how to choke people unconscious that could lead to death. I teach people how to break arms, break shoulders, break limbs, break knees. Okay, maybe not yet there. I'm not like very good with the leg locks. Yeah, I'm getting there. But so, you know what I mean? So I take this responsibility seriously, and I don't want to be part of any violence or crime against someone that could eventually, be traced to me, to the knowledge I gave someone. I don't want any part of that.